Kind of did something here. So you're going to fish?
I'm going to fish.
Live Q&A, and we have some questions from earlier today. I think, what's your best selling product? That would be the airbox lid, I think.
Why are your exhausts so expensive?
Well,
it's expensive because it's amazing. We spend a lot of time to develop and make our product, and we're using thicker materials and stainless and billet aluminum.
yeah, and like the polishing, the thickness of the material, everything. We only use the best raw material we can find.
Thoughts of making brute force products? We actually have a single full system.
Do you all figure out the CFMOTO thing? No, we did not, so no.
Which part of
I think he was thinking about the beeping noise.
the beeping noise?
Or the ECU.
The ECU, we found the ECU.
Yeah.
How were you come up with your airbox cover design? How? The design?
You first had one design and we redesigned it about 2 years ago. We changed some chamfers and such mostly. It did touch some plastic at the beginning, but do you like Braden Price? Braden Price.
Not Brandon.
Yeah, we like him. We love him.
You guys should make parts also for the sport quads like the Raptors. Yeah, we have been thinking about that. So that's next chapter. Just bought an X3. What's the first RJWC product do you recommend? For the X3, I would recommend our new APX aluminum exhaust. Honda gas caps. Okay, we don't have that yet. Sorry, guys. Grizzly, you.
We're working on the shifter for the Grizzly.
Will you ever get into the dirt bike industry? Who knows? Do you make Canon X3 pipe?
Yes, we make the best ones out there.
Yeah, go to our website rjwc.se.
New stickers, yes, coming on order, on shipment over here.
Do you know Colt Jean?
Yeah, he has the pipe on our pipe on his Defender.
Oh yeah, that guy. Can you all make a Yamaha R-Max exhaust? At the moment we can't because they are not available in Sweden. So
please tell us about this room.
this room is the room. This is where we have all our pipes. Finished pipes and pipes like this that is not cut and welded, and we have all the exhaust muffler pipes, and this is kind of how do you call it, skräpigt in English.
Craptacular.
Yeah, we are pretty busy right now, and it's we don't have time for cleaning, so there is like in Swedish we call this stos. It's a rörstos. In English it's called pipe. Yes, so that is that. Maybe we should show them the dirty room.
Yeah. This
is where we do all the polishing of all the muffler pipes. We are using a metal, this is called lathe.
Lade. No T.
No T. So we have it pretty adapted for the purpose, and so we do all the polishing in here. We then have 4 welding stations here. Here we have, this is the one where Eric is working, and this is Natalie. We have an awesome girl welder. This is Kevin's place, and this is where we build all the muffler pipes. Table, what is it called? It's called
Wrote history.
no, wait. I have to Google this.
1 hour later.
It's called svetslägesställare.
Yes.
Swedish. I just have to translate. Svetslägesställare. Engelska. I don't know. And here we have this is actually a magnetic drill that we have adapted to drill the holes for the lambda bunks.
Yeah, we use these weld-on drills. If you can see, like these. Folk,
Like
yeah.
a billion holes every day. Here we have hörsel och ögonskydd måste användas.
Glasses at each station.
Safety switches.
Safety switches.
Protective
Yeah.
covers.
And you have signs everywhere. We have to have that here in Sweden.
So this is the station where we expand and we shrink pipes. Pretty much shrink a 2.5-inch pipe down to whatever you want. We have a grinding station here where we grind all the pipe parts. We have our El Brappo 40-ton press. We have one where we can make it's called slots in the pipes.
Yeah.
And probably 30 different cone tools. We have a small metal lathe.
Lathe.
And this is one of my favorite tools or machines, the spot weld. We use this a lot when we make reinforced brackets, when we have one bracket on each other. This is something that probably everyone knows what it is. This is just a regular bandsaw. Here we have the station where we cut and pack all our mufflers with the needle glass fiber mat.
Yeah.
And our stainless mesh. This is a pretty cool material actually, because it's 2 layers, and this is made to protect the outer layer from heat. So this works great. And we have a special machine here for our production when we wrap the inner cores with the glass fiber mat. David did something. I'm gonna fish for the drone.
Recovered the drone.